Hey everyone, want to update Google Fonts? In this video, I'll show you how to check, replace, and update Google Fonts step by step. First, open the Google Fonts website and check if there is a newer version or an updated font family available for your project. Next, download the latest version of the font if you are using locally installed files on your computer or website. If you are using Google Fonts on a website, update the font link or CSS code with the latest version from Google Fonts. Now replace the old font files with the updated files if you are self-hosting fonts on your website. For design software, reinstall the updated font files on your computer if needed. This helps ensure your apps use the latest font version. Next, clear your website cache or refresh your design application so the updated fonts load correctly. Finally, check your project to make sure the new font version displays properly and all text styles look correct. And that's how to update Google Fonts. Keeping your fonts updated helps maintain better compatibility, design quality, and performance across your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.